never, ever stop learning. However, learning curves can be highly affected if you don't sleep right. For years, it's been a dreaded challenge of college students who usually have difficulties retaining information for an upcoming exam. The problem? It's pulling an all-nighter. In this episode, How to Be is going to lay down major reasons as to why sleep is considered a powerful learning technique. Before anything else, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be so you can access more of our videos similar to this. Now, let's get started. So, how exactly do poor sleeping habits and sleep deprivation affect students' academic performance? Well, it's not just about waking up late and missing a class, nor that they're too tired to pay attention in lecture. Many studies have shown that sleep is imperative to memory consolidation and cognition. During slow-wave sleep, which is one of the cycles the brain goes through during sleep, the brain replays information learned while awake. This leads to memory consolidation, in which information is stored in the long-term memory. This means that if you don't get enough sleep, your brain doesn't have enough time to properly run through this cycle, leaving you unable to retain the information picked up that day before. So, if you're busy cramming and not sleeping, the important information you learned and thought you had memorized basically slips out of your brain. So there's no point. You will just have trouble recalling them the next day. Now that you know how the brain works while sleeping, let's dig deeper so that you can ace those exams at school or that presentation for that much-awaited promotion. Our main goal is that we get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Here are tips on how we can make that happen. Tip number 5. Relieve stress during the day. Try adopting some stress-inducing techniques before bed. Keep a journal by your bedside to write down what's bothering you. Start practicing yoga, learn to meditate, get regular massages, or take long walks. Tip number 4. Make your bed comfy. A number of new mattresses on the market are aimed at increasing comfort, including those that have cooling effects to keep a person from getting too warm while they sleep. Memory foam mattresses conform to a person's body, providing extra shape and support. Use room darkening shades, earplugs, or other tools that will help create a restful environment. Tip number 3. Apps for sleep. Some apps can help you sleep better. Sleep Genius tracks your sleep cycles and offers a progressive alarm clock to prevent sudden waking that's associated with increased tiredness. Other apps like Pieces provide soft music and sounds used to encourage restful sleep. Tip number 2. Exercise regularly. Being physically active during the day can help you fall asleep faster at night. Exercise also helps to promote deeper, more restful sleep. Just make sure you don't exercise too close to bedtime, since this can leave you too energized to sleep. And the last tip. Tip number 1. Avoid stimulants. Caffeine, chocolate, and nicotine can keep you awake past your bedtime. Alcohol may make you feel sleepy initially, but its effect eventually may disrupt your rest later in the night. Stay away from stimulants at least 4 hours before sleep. In a nutshell, sleep isn't just a major learning technique. It is also key to a healthy lifestyle. Sleep boosts your immune system, manages weight loss, and helps you retain memory. That's it, you guys. Let us know in the comments if these will help your learning curve moving forward. Make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be so we can all do it together. And hit that notification bell to access more of our videos. Thank you very much for watching, and we're looking forward to seeing your results. Until our next How to Be video.